I'm starving. Wow, that pear looks amazing. Wait a minute. This isn't a pear. It's cake. Just like fruit-shaped cake, artificial intelligence can take the shape of actual human intelligence. IBM defines generative AI as deep learning models that can generate high-quality text, images, and other content based on the data they were trained on. In most workspaces, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot are the generative AI tools available, and to get the most out of them, it's important to understand what tasks generative AI is good at. Generative AI is built from the data it is trained on, meaning that it's built to be great at what it knows. To build an AI tool like ChatGPT, the developers of the tool provide the AI model with millions of examples of data so that it learns to recognize and understand human input, which it then organizes to generate a response. Remember our pear? Before I cut into it, I believed that I'd be eating a healthy snack, but when I saw how the pear was actually layers of cake, I could easily identify that indeed my fruit was farce. Generative AI is very similar. Think of the flour, sugar, and other ingredients like different types of data being collected, recognized, and then organized with the goal of becoming an actual pear. Whether it be messaging data from an online forum, or even pictures and videos from social sites, the AI tool is trained to replicate the training data as a response to whatever query you may have. Because AI training is recognition, organization, and logical reasoning, I prompt tasks that allow AI to be at its best. One use case I've found great success with is when tasking AI to identify key topics from recorded knowledge transfer sessions, which I can quickly bake into course objectives for either instructor-led content or e-learning treatments. Marco.